Hello student, in previous video we had seen Boyle's law, its graphical representation and Boyle's law in terms of density, and in this video I will teach you Charles' law. Charles' law, if you have remember, that is Boyle's law is at constant temperature and there is a relation between pressure and volume is inverse. And in this case, in Charles' law, pressure remains constant. It is at constant pressure. At constant pressure, statement is at constant pressure, volume of gas is directly proportional to its temperature. That is T. Means three properties of gases, that is pressure, volume and temperature. There is a relation at constant pressure, P is constant, then volume of gas is directly proportional to its temperature. As temperature increases, volume of gas is also increases. Then mathematical expression is volume is directly proportional to temperature at constant pressure. Then V is equals to K into T, where K is proportionality constant. As volume V1 and temperature T1 undergo changes into volume of V2 and temperature T2, then according to Charles' law, V1 upon T1 is equals to V2 upon T2 is equals to constant. And this formula we will be using for the numericals. V1 upon T1 is equals to V2 upon T2. If pressure remains constant, and then we have to find out any one of the value, then we can use this formula. By using Charles' law, we can calculate volume or temperature. Okay. Then next law is Gay-Lussac's law. Is it clear? Charles' law is at constant pressure, the volume of gas is directly proportional to temperature, and formula is V1 upon T1 is equals to V2 upon T2 at constant temperature, and it is equals to constant. Okay. Then next one is Gay-Lussac's law. Gay-Lussac's law. At constant volume, now volume remains constant. वॉल्यूम इज कांस्टेंट। फर्स्ट बॉयल्स लॉ में हमने टेम्परेचर कांस्टेंट रखा, देन चार्ल्स लॉ में प्रेशर कांस्टेंट, एंड नाउ इन Gay-Lussac's law volume is constant, and relation between pressure and temperature is if at constant volume at constant volume pressure of a gas is directly proportional to its temperature. By keeping volume constant, pressure of gas is directly proportional to its temperature, and mathematical expression is P is directly proportional to T at constant V, that is volume. At constant volume, P is equals to K into T, where K is proportionality constant. Proportionality constant, then P upon T is equals to K. P upon T is equals to K, that is constant. Okay, this is Gay-Lussac's law. Boyle's law, temperature constant; Charles' law, pressure constant; and Gay-Lussac's law, volume constant. Okay, then next law is Avogadro law. Next one is Avogadro law. Now, keeping temperature and pressure constant, T and P constant. T and P constant, it states that equal volume of all gases, contain equal number of molecules at constant temperature and pressure. Equal volume of all gases contains equal number of molecules at constant temperature and pressure. It means V is directly proportional to N number of molecules. So, mathematical expression is V is directly proportional to N at constant T and P. So, V is equals to K into N, where K is proportionality constant. And V upon N is equals to constant. So, these are the 4 laws which explains the relationship between temperature, pressure, volume and number of molecules. First, Boyle's law, which is at constant temperature; Charles law, there is inverse proportion between P and V. Then Charles law, at constant pressure, then V is directly proportional to T. Then in Gay-Lussac's law, volume constant and pressure and temperature, there is a direct proportion, and at constant temperature and pressure, volume of gas is directly proportional to number of molecules. This is the Avogadro law. Okay, goodbye.